How Coinbase works. Here's what you need to know: what Coinbase is, and how it works. How to use it to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Coinbase is an app that lets you buy and sell all sorts of cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and others. You can also use Coinbase to convert one cryptocurrency to another, or to send and receive cryptocurrency to and from other people. As stock trading apps you already know, Coinbase shows you the current price and trends for cryptocurrencies, a look at your portfolio of holdings and news stories about the industry. Maybe you've never heard of Coinbase. Or maybe you're confused about what it even is. In this video you will get all that what you are seeking about Coinbase. Before we move on, please help me to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit a notification button for more videos. And get Coinbase in the link below the video. Thank you for your support. Let's move on. How to get started with Coinbase. Coinbase is very easy to set up but requires some information, including your legal name, home address, date of birth, last 4 digits of your social security number and how you plan to use Coinbase. That's to comply with federal regulations. And this is how you can do it. Fast, you have to download the Coinbase app for iPhone or Android. Then, open Coinbase and tap Get Started. Create an account with your email address and tap Start. Verify your email by tapping a link that was sent to your inbox. Enter your phone number and verify it by entering a code that was texted to you. Enter in your name, date of birth and last 4 digits of your social security number. But you need to be at least 18 years old to use it. Enter your address. Choose how you will use Coinbase, either for investing, online payments, online purchases or for investing in other exchanges. Confirm your source of income. Tap Let's Go. Now you'll start to link your bank account. Search for your bank. Log into your bank account with the username and password you normally use for banking. Select the bank account you want to link to Coinbase for purchases and tap Continue. There we go. You'll be dropped off on the main page of Coinbase now, where you can get started buying cryptocurrencies. Please remember to like, share, comment, and hit a notification button for more videos. And Coinbase link is under the video in the description area. Thanks for your support. How to buy cryptocurrencies on Coinbase. Now let's see how to buy some cryptocurrency. Let's purchase a fraction of a Bitcoin since that's the one you may probably heard of most. But the process is the same for all the currencies offered on the Coinbase platform. To start, tap Get Started on the top of the screen. Once you have done so, you'll see a list of crypto assets you can buy. Select Bitcoin at the top. Choose how much you want to purchase. Note, you can buy fractions of cryptocurrency, so you can spend $5 on roughly 0.0006204 Bitcoin, at its $64,635 price, or however much you want. The minimum order is $1.99. Tap Preview Buy. Review the order. Note Coinbase takes a percentage of the purchase, so if you're aiming to buy $5, it'll take about a 99-cent cut of the transaction. If you're buying $500 worth of Bitcoin, it'll charge about $7.34. Choose Buy Now. That's it. You can trade your Bitcoin instantly after you buy it, but you'll need to wait 8 days before you send it to someone. If you are getting value out of this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit a notification button for more videos. Thank you for doing so, and thank you so much for your support. Let's go ahead. Remember to check in the links below to get a Coinbase. And if you want to increase your profits in Bitcoin, check the links too. How to sell cryptocurrencies on Coinbase. Now, having known how to buy your crypto, let's say you're ready to sell your crypto assets. This is how you have to do it. Tap the blue circle icon on the main page. It shows 2 arrows. Choose Sell. Select the asset you want to sell, in this case, we'll pick Bitcoin. Choose how much you want to sell, or tap the Max button on the left of the page to sell it all. Review the page, again note the Coinbase fee. Having done that, tap Sell Now. Now we are done with that, let's look at how you can withdraw your money from Coinbase. How to withdraw your money from Coinbase. Let's say you're ready to take some profits off the table. You've sold your crypto but now you want to move it back to your bank account. Note that if you've just purchased or sold funds, you may have a withdrawal-based limit. This is what you do. From the home page, tap your portfolio balance on the top of the screen. Choose the US dollar option. If you've sold some crypto, this should have a value other than $0. Tap Withdraw. Choose Preview Withdraw. Here select your bank account. Note that the transfer takes 1 to 3 business days. You may also add a debit card for an instant transfer for a small fee. You are now good to go. In summary, you've learned how to set up Coinbase and use it to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, and even withdraw to your bank when you want to. Get a link for the app below the video, and increase your profits by clicking on the links again below the video. Hopefully, you have got what you have been looking for. Please tell me if it has worked for you or not in the comment area. And please, before you go, like, subscribe and hit a bell button for more videos. Thank you so much for your support. And thanks for watching, see you soon.